guys, it's PCTV, and guess what? We're here at the Cambra and Blacktop magazine open house, and Gavin's here and Grandma. Hi guys. Hey, look at that handsome young man there. And we got all kinds of folks here. John is here. Washington.
I don't need it.
Look at this guy.
Was that good,
friend? How you doing?
That's
that was good.
Move.
That was good. Yeah. We got some great cars here. This is one of my favorites right here. I love this coupe. It is just bad. I work on this thing, just amazing. All right, but we got somebody getting ready to head out. Looks like a 57 Bel Air. She's heading out. Beautiful car here. Absolutely lovely. Look at that car. There you go. See me on YouTube.
Oh.
You can see yourself on YouTube. There we go. All right, that was fun with the bike. Pretty crazy.
Ready, call out.
And they're off. The Chevelle takes lead turn 1. There we go. Off they go. Nice running car. But this little coupe, man. Sounds like you got a nice little small block in that thing. I love this little coupe right here. Beautiful. Banjo wheel. All the interior. Look at the embossing. This is just crazy. You know, this is one of my very top coupes out there. Just super bad. Super bad with bone. One of the best. And of course, John's here, Mr. John Hoisington. He's a local guy. We see him in Garden Grove quite a bit. So we got the Humble 2 here, and this is a classic gasser. This one's been around for decades, and it's just a great car. Of course, as you know, John Alive, we love you, brother, and miss you always. But yeah, John's got a serious car here, and again, it's running and companioning this thing for many years. Here's a really nice wide window here. Look at the calibrands on this thing. These are Halibrands? Yeah, they got to be Halibrands. And he's running a nice little Ford, looks like a small block 289. Offenhauser heads on it. Oh, it's 6. He's running a little 6 in here. That's interesting. I wonder what it's out of. And really super immaculate. What do you think that little 6 is out of?
That's like the 2.8 or 3.8 maybe.
6?
A little V6.
Yeah, a little V6. It's pretty cool. It's got to turn some power and light. I don't know how much torque. Hey, what's up? How you doing?
I'm doing all right. You might like to know that your radiator fan goes on periodically.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Even when it's cold.
No, it's still hot. If it's going off, it's still hot. It's doing well. Yeah. It's I have it wired up like a Honda.
Oh.
Hondas are constant. They always have them. They're on no matter what. So this little, I'm thinking it's like a Buick V6 or something along those lines. But this is really an amazing little 5-window coupe here, and it's got my admiration. Hey,
This being a nice little driver.
the guy with the beard. What's his name again? Huh? The short guy, the guy with the beard that was just there a second ago. What's his name again? John or no?
John's always a good go-to.
Luke. I know Luke real well. Look at this El Camino. This is beautiful here.
Not good at names, Steve.
That's me too. I'm not good at waking up. Hey, and look at this. We got the Frankentin here. You know what? The Frankentin always looks decent on videotape. If you actually see it in person, it's a 10-footer. It's a 10-footer. But yeah.
Good pictures of bear in the sea.
Oh, I know. Great pictures of bear. I still have bear's collar hanging from the mirror.
I got all that stuff still in my room.
I got, bear's collars right there. This is Bear's truck. Will always be Bear's truck.
Yep.
I like this old truck. You know what? I really enjoy driving this truck a lot. It's just one of those vehicles that you really like to get in and drive.
You know, I adjusted my steering box the other day.
A little better? Big change.
I was going to get a new steering box. I thought it was so bad. But
You just took it up a little bit, huh?
told me about what to do.
Yep.
Got in there.
Yep.
Piece of cake.
Well, come on walking with me here. Look at that. We got all kinds of body stuff over here. Okay, Chad's Ford's down there.
All over the road now.
That's okay. You know what, Chad? We got Chad's Ford down there. Luke's here. Mr. John Hoisington. Dude, I just went on a whole process of discovery with this car.
What do you mean?
Things I never knew. Things I never even knew about your vehicle. I stalked you.
Good night to you. Yet
last night. I know. I haven't even posted it. No, I'm a stalker. So.
Good. I'm glad.
Hey, why don't you ask him about how this is all put together?
We could, but that'll take a while. I think we'll do that another night when we have some more time. Because tonight I want to just kind of hang and, you know, I'm hanging loose tonight. All right. So here's another great car. What is this? This is a Olds or Buick. Love the work here.
Isn't that nice?
It's gorgeous. You know, it makes me kind of want to get a box of Good and 20s. What's up, brother? How you doing? Looking good, man. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
All's looking good. There we go. Dano Live. Everybody remember Dano. Huh?
I got your sticker over there too.
Yeah, oh, look at that. Look at that. It's looking good, man. Looking good.
Thank you.
Like the moons. Yeah, the moons really set off the wide wides. It does set it off really nicely. And the two-tone works really well too. Very sweet. All right, I'm gonna go finish up here and then relax. Good to see you, bro. Hey, did you get any of my new stickers?
No, I didn't.
I got new stickers in here. Let me give you a couple. Yeah, I got some new stickers in there. Take a couple. There you go. Yeah, and those are real, and they even got split backs on them, so not a pain in the butt to peel the back off.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for.
Yeah. Cool, man. All right. All right, let's go walk around. Oh, you got food. Look at that. He got fed. This is later. These guys are badass.
He used to always, we'd all be sitting around the living room, my great grandma's house, right? And
look at these guys. Oh, Greg brought this.
Yeah, it made it.
Made it. Yeah,
But the Z28 was pretty cool. Because I had to put a whole front end on that. It hit one into a truck, so the frame rails were off. But the hood and the fenders were both off.
Look at that. PCTV. Somebody left trash on the back of your Mustang. Dash is looking really good. Greg did this dash all himself, basically on the hood of his frickin' Mustang. Did a just absolute beautiful restoration job. This is all homework, DIY work here. So good on you, dude. Good on you. Really, really good job. Hey, there's a great white buffalo. I wired this sucker about 4 years ago. And here's Luke's car.
So it was a stock.
It's a really nice Chevelle here.
67, 66. I had a 68 now.
327. My engine. Favorite. One of my favorite motors of all time.
I wonder if it's still a 327.
Yeah.
You know, hard to say. I like the Offie. Oh, dude, he's got the Offie valve covers on it too. You know, he's got a lot of goodness going on in here.
This is one of the nicest 66s I know of.
It's really beautiful, you know, and it's not overdone. It's just done right.
It's
just
not
done
an SS
right.
like all of them you see.
Nope. It's an honest car.
Yeah, oh, this is you got all the right stuff. The Willwood brakes,
Yeah, it's an honest car. That's what I love about it.
Valve covers, those are nice.
Oh, and it's a real shifter car too.
Yeah.
Pulling pedals and shifting gears.
Right on. There was a 3 on the tree originally.
That's the way to go.
The interior is just perfect. Look at that. That's nice.
So you got rid of the anti-theft device, then it went just to standard 4-speed. Yeah, 3 speeds are perplexing to most people these days. Yeah, it really is a clean car,
Nice
though.
tires too. I like that.
The stance.
Ready to go. Yeah.
You know, that's all. That's what so much of it is.
You ever
To
heard of
me,
Liz Miles? She was a writer
It's
for
the
Hot Rod
stance.
magazine for a while. Worked for Boyd Coddington. Really cool chick, hot rod chick.
you guys know I'm
Moved up
suspension and
north.
brakes, so here's a good stance for
And
you.
she had that pattern
That's Luke's
tattooed in reverse.
67. Beautiful.
Yeah, like it
Beautiful
burned into her.
All right, and of course, baddest ass Ranchero wagon around. Every time I see one of these, I always think of a country wagon, and I was like, oh crap, it's a Ranchero.
It's a country squad.
No, it's not. God, I
Squire
love
with
this
the rear
truck though,
cut
dude.
off.
I love this truck. It's freaking gorgeous. Really, I mean, dude, just so tasteful, you know? I like tastefully done.
A little shady.
That's why I get for using an iPhone 7. My focus goes away. I could get a new phone, you guys. Hey, if you want to do a GoFundMe and give me a 12 or something, I wouldn't mind. Yeah. This thing's sick, dude. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Like Colin nuts. Yeah, it's a sweetheart. All right, well, really having a nice time here, hanging out with all the crew, getting ready for the next cackle to go off. So shut her down for a few minutes, and we'll see you in a few. The harmonics knocked. Let's go, Brandon. The harmonics actually knocked. All right, here at Cambra's, getting ready to do a run here. This is going to be sick.
Don't do it!
Full drag bike.
Hold my beer.
Pull my beer.
Rick's gonna get a bunch of pebbles and
I'm gonna roll my window up.
tires on the side of your car.
Check out the kickstand. Look.
He's going down there.
Right there.
Nice burn stainless.
Blacktop mag guy.
Okay, so Tony's going down there?
What's that?
Good thought there, by the way. On the rocks and chips.
Timing's everything. everything.
You're like, oh, what the hell?
We're gonna give it that new smell, that new tire
Right, give it that
smell.
new tire smell. There you go. We're just gonna throw some marbles at it. It's no big deal. Gotta get that tire nice and warm too. Yeah, this is about to get fired up. Here at Saturday on the street.
We gotta get everybody up there back. I don't want them up there.
Tell them I'm aim for the middle.
Where do you want the water? Like right here? Or do you want to move it back? Or...
No, I'll move it forward and then we'll
Can't be in the hot zone.
I'll move it forward and we'll move it on to
Remember
the water.
Dana.
Well, you can just move it back to the water if I put the water there. You have to move forward.
You move forward, we'll put the water anywhere you want.
Put the water.
I think I'm gonna do the burnout and then I'll stop it at launch.
That's why we need you to go forward a little bit. I'll bunch of tire on it.
Let me go back to the side. Get ready to fire this monster here at Cambra Speed Shop.
No, I know. I can't see anything close. I get tunnel vision. It's so weird. Oh, hey. I gotta pick it up.
Oh, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon.
Greta Thunberg likes this one too. There's a fuel, baby.
All the way down, we have spotters to the very end. Okay?
All right, ready?
Oh, look at that. Yep,
So you
we're
can clip
smart.
it on here. Okay. Good.
Ready?
Fire.
That smell. If we had smell-o-vision, that at least 6 alarms you qualify.
Come on, we want to see. We want to see it.
We got inbound.
Slow motion.
Oh, look at this, like in the movies.
Don't get your toes wet.
Oh, that's the most beautiful thing I've seen.
Oh, I got tears in my eyes.
I want to watch a chick flick now. All right, dude, this one off. Somebody lost his clutch.
But I did my best to
Pretty
do
sick.
what
I gotta stop and see Grant start buying other stuff like frame.
It's like, and we get around the 4 laps, and it slows down, and I just let
What? Your pit whore is leaving. What is he doing, man?
my heart is.
He says he's on probation and he thinks the cops are
All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and close her up until we hit the Cackle Fest next. This is coming up.